Hey everybody, Elisa Bates here. I am going to show you what I use for inventory on hand because we want to stay in compliance if we want to share anything we might have on hand. So I switched to YouMeWho.com earlier in the spring this year. Right now, today is December 29th, 2021. So almost a year I've been using it. I'd say about like 10 months. It has been a total game changer for using this platform because instead of using a Google Doc and just having everything listed out and I send them a Google Doc link, YouMeWho actually you can upload pictures, put in descriptions because things sell a whole lot better if they can see it and they don't have to go Google a picture themselves because your customer is not going to go Google a picture no matter how much you ask them. So having it all right there, ready to go, they can add to cart type of concept. It's like shopping online without checking out online. That's what keeps it within compliance because they're not actually purchasing online. They're just claiming things. And if they claim something, it's going to make it so somebody else can't go and claim it right after them because it's going to have a little claim symbol on them until you go in there and update it. Or before, if I didn't get to my Google Doc list right away and edit it, then it kind of like created double orders, which I didn't have enough to give a double order. As well as I was having issues with editing on my phone in Google Docs or editing on my iPad, and then they weren't matching up and my totals got off. So YouMeWho.com has been a total game changer for my business. I'm gonna jump off here and do a video recording of my YouMeWho on my iPad so you can see it. And then I'll jump back on here and chat some more. Let's take a look. All right, guys, I have logged into YouMeWho.com and I just learned that it's YouMeWho, not YouWhoMe. So learn something new every day. So now that we've corrected that and you can see it right here for yourself, you know exactly where to go. I have logged in. I have clicked create list. I don't want to show before this because I want to keep this video within compliance because I am not going to share anything I actually may or may not have on hand. So I'm going to create a mock list and show you how I created it so you can do this as well. So log in, hit create list, and then it's asking, do you want to let others claim from your list? You're going to say yes, because that's how they're going to claim. List name, we're going to do mock list. Description, testing this out and showing friends. Because we all need a smiley face, type of smiley face. All right, there we go. You can put something in the private note. If you put a private note in there, it's not going to be seen. Just know that. Only the description will be. You can enable quantities. You can enable price, copy an item, catalog pricing, hide price from public, or hide catalog price of an item. You can have this as a time frame. So if you wanted to do a personal special sale and have them have it run for 3 days, you put your start and end time. Or if you want to have a forever sale, click that, meaning it's not going to start or end. Because if it ended, then someone won't be able to actually click claiming when it ends. So having a forever sale, that will be your normal list. So they can always just go to your list and find it. I have also created QR codes to give to my customers directly one-to-one so they can just scan it, or I have given them a link and told them to save it to a note on their phone so they can just click it and always have it. So always have that have forever sale clicked. So click allow multiple quantities and claims and wait list. So multiple quantities and claims, meaning if you have more than one product, so say you have 5 bars of 1 cent, someone claims it, then the other 4 can also be claimed. Now, I don't like wait lists because if this is something you have now, you're not obviously going to have more and you'd have to reorder, and it's just too much for me to have a wait list and too confusing. So click disable waitlist. So, unless you want waitlist, but I don't like it, so I disable it. And we scroll down here. There's all these other options I don't usually use. You can have a password if you want access. I'm not going to do that. I'm just click done. And here we are into our mock list. Set a tab. Click that right there in the upper left corner. And we're going to call this wax bars. Motion in my driveway. Submit. So now this is a wax bar tab. So you can add new items with this big button here, that big black box. You can add a single item, add a photo. So adding a single item, that is going to be, you're going to add an image. You're going to enter the name and description yourself, add a public note, add a private note, your quantity, and how much it's going to be. This is kind of self-explanatory, and I'm not going to do an individual one, but I am going to show you the easier way. So because I didn't fill anything out, it's still there. I'm going to delete that. But down in the bottom right-hand corner, there's a circle with a plus sign. I'm going to click that, and we're going to add from catalog. So from catalog, third one in line, click that. And as you can see, there's other companies that use this. There is Scentsy.com, French Canadian, you have Scentsy Canada, you have all these different things to choose from, as well as other companies if you're with another company. But I'm going to select Scentsy USA. And now, because someone so graciously already added all these things to this Scentsy catalog, all you have to do is click what you're wanting. So let's do blueberry cheesecake. Blueberry. I'm going to click return. It's brought up all the blueberry cheesecake items. We are doing wax bars. Collect wax bar and then add your quantity. Let's do 5. And now you have added 5 blueberry cheesecake to your wax bar section. Want to add another bar? Let's do aloe water. Type in aloe. Click enter. You got everything that has aloe in it. The word aloe in it. So let's find the aloe water cucumber bar. Let's do 2 of them. And there you go. So now I have this, it shows, let's see, 2 wax bars there. Let's add another tab. Custom name. Let's do warmers. Submit. We are going to click or search for warmers or the name of the warmer you're looking for. And then you can add the warmers you might have on hand. Let's just click a bunch. New tab, custom name. Let's do Scentsy Buddies. All right, let's type in buddy. Return. So you might have some of these buddies on hand, and now they're in there. Now I have in my description, if you're purchasing a buddy, I always make sure that they go to the scent pack tab. So let's create a scent pack tab so they can pick out their scent pack. That is again in the description of my list. Make sure you pick out that list. So let's do scent pack, because everybody comes with a free scent pack. And I'll just click a bunch. And now we have scent packs in there. Now, if I'm going to close this catalog here. Now, if I wanted the scent pack tab to come before the Scentsy Buddies, we click on the little arrow, rearrange, and move left. So now the scent packs are before that. If you wanted to do a, say, a sale tab within this, custom name, let's see, 10% off in this tab. Submit. And I want it to go over, left, rearrange. I want it to be first so they know it's there. And then anything you might not have on hand that you want to It's from the Scentsy catalog. Add to this section, so anything that's in there. Let's do car bars. Car. I have all these things I want to discount. Now they're in my sale tab, and you can do whatever categories you want. There is a feature on this where they have a code and they can get a discount. That's so elaborate for me, it's confusing. I don't really want to do that. So when they're done shopping and done claiming things, they can ask for an invoice, and then you email them, because when they log into your little YouMeWho.com website here, they provide their emails, so you would email them, and that's when you would discuss payment, delivery, pickup, and so on and so forth. And then that's also when I would give them their total with their discount off. If it's from a discount tab, if it's say a scent, they selected their Scentsy Buddy and their scent pack, you got to remove the scent pack price because each buddy comes with a scent pack, or like your buy 5 get 1 free on the bars, and so on and so forth. So you choose how you want to run whatever you're selling. And then your number one thing is you can't post your link to social media. You can't post this and be like, I have this on hand, check out this link. You have to send it in a 1-to-1 formation. To be able to send this list, you're going to go to the top right corner. There is the like pink looking wheel kind of thing right under the logout. You click that, and then you're going to share list. And then if you don't have a ton of stuff in your inventory, it's not going to be as big, or everything might not fit in this, but you can actually save this image. So you can send it as an image, or click so you got the Facebook, the Twitter little bird there, and you got the link and the email envelope. So you're going to click the little link, and then you're going to copy link. And now you can copy and paste that link into an email, into a text message, into a Facebook message. As long as it's 1-to-1, you can send it to your customers, family, and friends, and so on and so forth, so they can now shop your inventory. This has been a total game changer for me. You can do one big list for all of your inventory with all your different tabs. You can also come through here. I'm gonna click warmers, little arrow on warmers, and you can alphabetically sort everything within warmers. So now they're all alphabetically sorted. You can do another list with just sale items. So your sale items is not within your main list here. The possibilities are endless with this. If you're adding something from a Scentsy catalog and you don't find it in here, that's when you're going to have to go to the add a single item and then create your own. You can Google a picture, Google the description, add the price, and make your own little thing like this Luna bar here, instead of having it straight from the catalog, because it might not be available. So I absolutely love this system. I think this was like $60 for the whole year, and it's 100% worth it. So I hope this helps a lot for your trying to move things out of your inventory. If you've had some items in your inventory a really long time, you're not required to carry anything, but if you do a lot of events like me and you're in between events and you want to move some products, doing this and sending it privately to stay within compliance is a great way to move your product. Again, I think it was only $60 for the whole year. This is 100% worth it. It's been a total game changer for my business. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I hope you have an amazing day.